How to embed a Google Sheet in website. Want to share live data on your blog or website? You can embed your Google Sheet so visitors always see the most updated info without downloading a thing. So, open your Google Sheet where the data is inserted. Then over here you can see at the left corner file, tap on it. There you can see the option of download, email and share. Tap on share. Here you can see the option of publish to website. Tap on it. There you can see you can add a link, entire document, city or web page. Here you can see the option of embed. Here you can see entire document. Note viewers may be able to access the underlying data for published drafts. And there are settings of publishing content, entire document, start publishing and many other. So simply tap on publish and then your spreadsheet is now part of your site, real time and interactive.